In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start page numbering on page 3 in Microsoft Word. Forcing page numbers to start on your cover page or table of contents completely violates standard professional formatting rules. And if you want your numbering matrix to strictly begin on page 3 without bleeding into your introductory sheets, you have to sever Word's hidden structural connections. Today, we are deploying a precise section break pipeline to isolate and number your pages flawlessly. So firstly, let's isolate your first two pages from the rest of the document structure. Just scroll down through your text and place your cursor at the absolute end of the last line on page 2. So as you can see, my pages are actually subtly separated. If you want to learn how to do this, make sure to watch our other videos. Here, I have that page 1 separated and there's my page 2. Just place your cursor here, then route your cursor straight up to the top navigation ribbon Layouts and click on the Layout tab next to Design. Move to the top navigation ribbon and then click next to Design and Page Setup group and click the Breakdown drop menu. There you go, click this one. And then select the next page under the section break category. And this instantly creates an invisible structural firewall between page 2 and 3. And now let's disconnect the numbering pipeline. Move to the page 3 and then double click directly inside the bottom foot area to open the active design canvas. Look up at your top ribbon and notice the highlighted header and footer context tab. Shift your focus to the navigation group and click the link to previous button. To do that, just click here twice. Then, as you can see, everything else will dim and now you can have the header and footer menu. And then shift your focus to the navigation group and click the link to the previous button here. We choose the link to previous, and to uncheck it and to break the link to your cover pages, then you just click the page number icon on the far left here. Select Format Page Numbers, and after choosing all of that, click on the page number there. Then select Format Page Numbers. This button, click the radio button to start, enter the number, and then enter number 1. It's already entered, and then click OK. Also, click page number once more, then select bottom of page and tap your preferred style. So let's choose Style Page X or Page Bar 2. And there you go. Now you've pretty much done it and you are start numbering on your Microsoft Word documents on page 3 and onwards. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.